Bureau of Meteorology has a severe weather warning for damaging winds, damaging surf for the Lord Howe Island issued at 4:23 a.m. today. Tasman low to bring vigorous winds and powerful surf. Strong low pressure system is deepening over the Tasman Sea, located to the southwest of the island. Vigorous gusty winds and powerful waves expected from later tonight as the low moves north near Lord Howe Island. Damaging winds with average wind gusts of around 55 to 65 kilometres an hour, peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour, possible later tonight and Wednesday morning. Damaging surf conditions exceeding 5 metres in the surf zone, that's the wave height. Also possible later tonight and during Wednesday, and may produce significant beach erosion for exposed south and west facing coastline. That's a severe weather warning for the Lord Howe Island. However, there's also one for New South Wales. Severe weather warning for damaging winds, damaging surf for the mid-north coast, the Hunter, Metropolitan, Illawarra, South Coast forecast districts. Blustery winds, heavy seas along parts of the New South Wales coast. This is the area under the current warning, and as mentioned, a low pressure system over the Tasman Sea is deepening, and the system is forecast to bring gusty winds to parts of the New South Wales coast today and powerful seas to the coast both today and Wednesday. Damaging winds averaging 55 to 65 kilometres an hour, peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour possible over the coastal fringe of the Illawarra, Sydney, Metropolitan, Hunter and the mid-north coast today. Winds are then expected to gradually east during Wednesday. Very heavy surf may lead to localised damage. Coastal erosion is possible from this afternoon for the coastal strip between Montague Island, Smoky Cape, south and southeast facing parts of the coast are most at risk. Beach conditions in these areas could be dangerous and people should stay well away from the surf and surf exposed areas. The Bureau also has a hazardous surf warning in place, and surf conditions expected to ease from Thursday. Locations under the severe weather warning at this point in time that may be affected: Sydney, Newcastle, Sydney, Wollongong, Port Macquarie, The Entrance, Foster and Kiama. Bureau of Meteorology also has a gale warning in place for the Sydney coast waters, the Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra coast, and a strong wind warning for further south, the Batemans coast, Eden coast, and I'll have a similar warning in place for Wednesday. Now we switch down to Victoria, where the Bureau has issued a initial minor flood warning for the Thomson River. We also have a strong wind warning for the East and Gippsland coast. And here in Queensland, the Bureau yesterday issued a sheep graziers warning for the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast districts. That remains current. And a strong wind warning for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, the Peninsula, Cooktown, Cairns coast, Sunshine Coast waters, Moreton Bay, Gold Coast waters. That's for today. So the Bureau has actually expanded their coastal waters wind warning. And what's going on in South Australia. Road weather alert remains current for Adelaide, and a frost warning for the mid-north Riverland forecast districts. No warnings for Tasmania, and I think there's a bit of activity over in WA. Yes, severe weather warning has been issued for the lower west, southwest parts of the south coastal, the Great Southern Districts. Another cold front crossing the southwest of the state this morning, with conditions easing during today. Strong cold front lies near the line Mandurah to Pemberton and will move east over southwest WA this morning, continuing into the Goldfields during this afternoon and evening. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, peak gusts to around 100 kilometres an hour possible, and could cause damage to homes and property, in particular in showers and thunderstorms. Damaging winds occurring coastal areas between Perth and the southwest Capes, and may occur over the warning area, including the Perth Metropolitan area. Early this morning, conditions should ease by 8 a.m, although squally thunderstorms and small hail may persist until early Tuesday afternoon, southwest of the line from Bunbury to Bremer Bay. And they've also included in their warning dangerous winds averaging 80 to 90 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts in excess of 125 kilometres an hour. That's a little bit higher than a previous one for the same region a few weeks ago. With the passage of the front southwest of the line from Mandurah to Walpole, and could cause significant damage or destruction to homes and property. Heavy rainfall possible in the lower west southwest districts. Tides will be higher than expected between Kalbarri and Albany, particularly during this morning. Damaging surf conditions likely, which could cause beach erosion between Bunbury and Walpole today. Locations which may be affected: Bunbury, Busselton, Mandurah, Mungimap, the Margaret River, Perth, Augusta, Dunsborough, Harvey, Lassisland, Walpole and Yanchep. And this weather pattern is typical for this time of year, but winds and rain may cause damage to property and make road conditions hazardous. A wind gust of 102 kilometres an hour was recorded at Busselton Jetty at 11:46 p.m. last night. And they also have a warning to sheep graziers for the lower west, southwest, south coastal, Great Southern, the Central Wheat Belt. And they've got a gale warning in place for the Perth, Bunbury, Geography and Leon Coast. Strong wind warning, Perth local waters, Geraldton, Lassisland and Albany Coast. And they've cancelled a one for the North Kimberley Coast. So severe weather impacting WA, Coastal Regions, New South Wales. And over the last couple of minutes, we've had a look at on the screen precipitation. It's a GFS model, the source BSCH website, and this is the 850 millibar level, and it's the winds from 7 a.m. through to 10 a.m. on Thursday. We'll have more later today.